We have here something different. My first item from Monoprice, and I was quite lucky with this because somebody on Headfi posted that it was going to be on Amazon UK for like £19.99. So I'm sure in the US, where these obviously it's where its market is, there's a lot more than that. But yeah, I'll get to it. MP80, nothing there, which is a hybrid, and it's very similar to the Semkarsh in shape. So it has a balanced armature and one dynamic with 3 filters, like tuning nozzles. So it's only a 2 driver hybrid. So yeah, 8mm dynamic driver. I've no idea what type of driver it is or armature. So 20 to 20, which is not a lot. Normally things hit like 40,000, well 40 kilohertz, and they get the high res, you know, certification, 16 ohm impedance, and 5 milliwatt maximum input. Okay, that's good to see that. But yeah, these are easy to power. Silver-plated cord, blah 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 blah. 3 tuning nozzles, which is probably going to be one of the key things. Silver, gunmetal, and black. 3 sets of silicon earbuds as usual. One pair of double flange silicon earbuds. Okay. Memory foam and a storage wallet. So yeah, for £20 this thing was a bargain really, because it should normally retail for like way more. And I've already kind of cheated. I've already tried this to see if it works, and it works fine. There you go. Let's check these bad boys out. So yeah, super similar shape to the Semkarsh. I've already checked, and the vents are in completely different places, so a bit different. MMCX silicon tip. Obviously these filters screw off, simple as that. You can see slight restriction, I mean really slight. That's it, here we go. So yeah, right, obviously the one will say left. And I found one, I can't remember which nozzle I had on, and I found it quite balanced. But I will check all of the others, you know, for my opinion. Obviously they're going to sound different, otherwise there's no point pulling them in. Untangle this mess. Here we go. I wasn't too keen on the cable. I've tried it with an aftermarket cable and it works fine. These are quite stiff. And somebody measured this cable and it's meant to be like 1 ohm resistance, so kind of high just from the cable. But it works as a cable, how it works, say around your ears, it works fine. It's a bit stiff and it gets tangled. Kind of easy. And microphonics, but why split out? This doesn't do much because it's super loose. It's really, I think for the retail price of like, I think retails for like $60 to $70. It should have had a better cable. The Monoprice logo, strain relief, only 3.5. There's no mic. Kind of basic. It should, as I say, it should have really had a better cable. Let's see what's in here. It's a nice pouch. So yeah, I have already slightly cheated and tried with the where are they? Quickly show them to you. So yeah, small shape. I'll show you the Semkarshes. I should have them here. I presume they are slightly different. So that's slightly elevated in the middle, and that's larger. It's extremely close. Obviously, I presume the people who made that, which I think LZ made them, or LZ if you're American, I presume they may have helped made these. They could have been the ODM, which is possible. So yeah, filters. I'll let you know what the difference in sound when I can't remember which one it was, but one of them was quite balanced. But I only tried it for a few minutes. So yeah, it's silver, and there's the black. The ones on it should be the gunmetal. You can't really tell on camera, but that's the gunmetal variant. Small, medium, large silicon tips. The clip, don't really see, but it's kind of useful. Foam tips. So yeah, normal foamers like the ones that are on it. Yeah, and the double flange tips. I tried them, but those just aren't for me. They're just not my thing. Quite a wide-ish bore. Fast expansion, which is either a good or a bad thing. I tend to stick with the silicone tips, tend to fit me well. But yeah, it's really short kind of unboxing because I've already tried it. Build quality is good. Like I say, I think it should have came with a bit of a better cable. They should have just bundled in like something, you know, because he's already quite cheap. So this is like a, you know, one of these kind of cables you get off AliExpress. I think something like that should have came in the packaging, because they measure quite well, and they're just a great cable for the price. But yeah, so I'll be back soon with a proper review of these with all three filters, and I'll explain what I think. I presume one of them's balanced, which is the one I used. I guess one's bass heavy or bassier, and the other one should be brighter. That's what I think it should be. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll be back. The next video for this will be the review. And I don't have many items coming up. Obviously, as you know what's happening in the world, I may or may not run out, but we will see. But yeah, everyone out there, stay safe, be careful, and I'll be back soon with another video.